Dr. Mitali, why do we have bad breath in the morning? I think it's so embarrassing.
Please understand that bad breath when you wake up in the morning is considered normal. The saliva in our mouth is the key ingredient that keeps odor under control by washing away food particles and bacteria. But when we sleep, the production of saliva slows down and our mouth becomes dry, allowing bacteria to grow, which causes bad odor or morning breath. I repeat, bacteria rises in the mouth at night. So brushing and cleaning our mouth before sleeping is important. To alleviate morning breath, normally brush your teeth and eat a morning meal.
Really? Dry mouth can cause bad breath?
Yes, dry mouth causes bad breath. We work full day, talk to each other. Sometimes we skip meals, not drink enough water, so our mouth tends to get dry. In addition, intake of caffeine, tobacco, alcohol aggravates dry mouth. To avoid drying of your mouth, make a habit of sipping water regularly throughout the day. Also, limit the consumption of caffeine, alcohol and smoking.
Dr. Mitali, I want to ask you, what causes bad breath?
In 80 to 90% of cases, the source of bad breath is oral cavity and structures related to it, like ear, nose and throat. So you will experience bad breath in case of tonsillitis, sinusitis and rhinitis. But 5 common causes of bad breath are: Number 1. Poor oral hygiene. Improper brushing, flossing, habits like smoking, chewing tobacco causes plaque buildup, which leads to gum disease and initiates cavities in your mouth. Number 2. Eating food with strong odor like garlic, onion, tuna, horseradish, peanut butter, lettuce, cheese. Number 3. Tongue coating. That yellow-white coating on your tongue is the waste left by bacteria which causes bad breath. Number 4. Dry mouth, also known as xerostomia. Habits like mouth breathing, aging, cancer patients undergoing chemotherapy, salivary gland dysfunction, and consuming certain medicines like Zantac, which is an antacid, vitamin supplements, some anti-anxiety, antidepressant drugs, BP medicines, all have potential side effects as dry mouth. Visit your dentist if you feel you have dry mouth due to these above causes.
Number 5. Studies and research show in 10 to 20% of cases, bad breath originates from extraoral sites like stomach. In case of GERD, which is gastroesophageal reflux disease. In case of uncontrolled diabetes, kidney disease, asthma and liver disease.
So what if you brush, floss and use mouthwash daily but still have bad breath? Does that call for a medical condition?
Yes, book an appointment with your dentist.
So how to find out if you have bad breath?
Well, if your mouth tastes bad, it smells bad. But still, I have 4 simple tests for you to check if you have bad breath or not. First test is floss test. Take a floss, clean the spaces in between your teeth, remove the floss and smell it from a distance. Usually, the food debris stuck in between your teeth causes bad breath. Second test is wrist test. Lick your wrist just like shown in the picture. Wait for 10 seconds to dry and smell it from a distance. Don't be disgusted. It's your own breath. Third test is spoon test. Take a spoon, turn it upside down, place at the back of your tongue and move it forward gently, just like shown in the picture. Smell it from a distance and evaluate your breath. Fourth test is get someone else's opinion. Don't be shy. Ask your mother, your partner, sibling in a very casual manner. Well, if you're still hesitant to do this, the best way is visit your dentist and take his opinion.
Okay, thanks for the information, but how do I treat bad breath?
Treatment of bad breath is very simple. Follow these 5 steps. Number 1, most important and my favorite. Brush, floss, rinse and clean your tongue with a tongue scraper, tongue cleaner or a toothbrush once or twice daily. Replace your toothbrush in every 3 months. Use a zinc containing mouthwash to reduce bad breath. Number 2, drink plenty of water, around 8 glasses a day to quick fix dryness of your mouth. Number 3, take oral probiotics. They are different from general probiotics. Oral ones maintain and promote growth of good bacteria in your oral cavity. But seniors, children and pregnant women should avoid taking high levels without consulting their dentist. Number 4, when you feel that your breath needs a quick touch-up and it's not practical for you to rinse or brush, pop a chewing gum or a breath mint. It helps to mask bad breath with its strong flavor. But make sure it's sugar-free. But do you know that there are a lot of natural things present in your kitchen to mask bad breath? Fennel seeds, cardamom, parsley, apple cider vinegar, green tea, chamomile tea, all of these freshen up your breath. Number 5, why hesitate calling your dentist? If you feel that your bad breath persists even after following a good oral hygiene, make an appointment with your dentist. Well, if you have understood about the causes and treatment of bad breath, what are you waiting for? Go and share this knowledge with your parents, grandparents, relatives. Don't be shy talking about bad breath. I'm sure, just like you, they are also seeking solutions to oral health problems. If you have any dental query, feel free to comment below or message. To keep yourself updated on oral health, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, Dentistry for You. Also, you can find me on LinkedIn, Quora and Instagram page, Dentistry for You.